Okay, we're gonna put this thing together. So we have 3 pages. Page 1, instructions. Page 2 is the base of your zine. And page 3 is your activity parts page. Okay, step 1, we're going to take the zine page, boop, zine base. We're gonna cut on all these little red lines, A, B, K, and J. There's 4 total. I really suggest that you all get an adult to help you use an X-Acto knife to do this. But if you have to do it with scissors, you can, okay? What you have to do though is you have to fold it in half everywhere there's a cut line and then toot. Okay, but I'm gonna do it with an X-Acto blade, okay? All right, hold on, here we go. A, zoop. Okay, then B, zweep. And then K, whoop. And L. Doop. Okay. Step 1 is done. We've cut all these places. See? Boop, boop. And we're making these little slots for our pieces to go in later. Okay? See you in step 2. Okay, step 2, we're gonna fold. All right, so with our instructions page, we're gonna start on step 2. Now I'm gonna do all of the steps in this video between 2 and 4, all the foldy steps. Okay, here we go. Step 1, so we fold it in half. Okay, so if you match up the little corners pretty good, and then go over, boop, 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 and go tight, and then just pinch, 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 and that'll get it into the place where it's pretty good. See, half, half. And then we unfold it, okay? Now, step 3, we're going to fold in the left and right edges, like this. Fold it in like that, okay? All right. Folding in the left side, and then smoothing it over, boop. Okay. See, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. Folding in the right side, smoothing it over. Doo-doo. Now we have 4 equal columns, okay? Next, unfold it. Now we're going to fold it in half the opposite way that we did before. So I'm gonna go this way, okay? We're gonna match up the corners again. And then go pinch, 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 until it's all folded. Ta-da! All folded. And then unfold. Okay. Next, we're gonna fold it in half like we did the very first time. Like that. But now we're gonna take our scissors and we're gonna cut from here to here. On the other side, from here to here, okay? So here we go. Cut. Snip. Okay, now we unfold it. And then if we flip it over and then push it in, we have a book. Okay, now that we have our book, we need to cut out all of our activity parts on our activity parts page. Okay, here we go. First, we'll cut out A. Cutting out A. Now, like I said before, having an adult help you with this so that you can use an X-Acto blade will just make everything a little cleaner. But if you feel like using scissors, no shame in that game. Scissors are the jam. Woo! I cut out A. There's A. Okay, now we find A, cut A in the book, and now we insert cut A into cut A. This little section here, this red thing, we put that in where the line is. Boop, 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 boop. And now we have a little tabby. Ah! There he is. Okay. Next, let's do B. B. Cutting out the little tab at the top. These little pull tabs are so cute. B. Okay, so now go back to our book. Let's find B. Oh! There's B. And now take B, red, insert into B. Ooh. Way harder to do in front of the camera. Look at that. And now we can pull it up. Whee! We cleaned up our desk. Ooh, dirty desk. Cleaned up desk. Okay. And then let's cut out the one that goes in K and L next. And we'll do another video of all the gluing pieces. Okay. This one, see it has two red edges? That's because it goes in between two cuts. C, K, and L. So the way we do this is we insert the L into the L, move all the way in, and then we come back up and we insert the K into K. It's kind of tricky. Kind of gotta wiggle it in there. But then once it's in there, look at this, pretty cool. We can slide through and have different categories. Oops. I might have to make this one bigger, you guys. Oh wait, there you go. Okay, watch. There we go. Solid, hard and soft shapes, blue and white shapes. There we go, cool. All right. Ooh, that's all the pieces that we insert. Next video is the glue. Okay, the next pieces are gonna be glued. So that's these pieces here, and then these little doors here. So I'm gonna cut all those out, and then we'll glue. And then like this. I'm not being very perfect about this, and neither should you. That's not the point at all. The point is to have fun and learn about information architecture. I cut them all out. All right. So these little flappy doos, these get glued, but just on the edge. So see in your book, everywhere that there's this color where it says glue, that's where you want to put the glue, but only in that place. You don't want to put the glue in the white place because we want the flaps to work. Like for example, the one that's for fruit goes here, right? And we want to glue it so that you can fold it up and see the fruit. See? Okay, I'm gonna glue them, but only on the edge. Got my glue. Okay. Gluing the edge, gluing the edge. We're gluing the edge, but only the edge. Fruit. And then the next one I have is dessert. That goes on the very top row. It's dessert. Boop, see it's cake and candy canes. Okay, putting some glue, but only on the edge. Put dessert. Okay, and then the last one in that is trucks. Trucks, okay, but only on the edge. Should look like this when you're done. See? Dessert, fruit, and trucks. Okay, and then we're gonna glue the other ones over like this. Okay? All right, first red, but only on the edge. Red goes on H. Purple goes on G. Green goes on F. See, like that. Okay. Now we have to let it dry before we can play with them. Okay. So next, I'm going to cut out the doors for the closet. Here. J and I. Do you all have a closet in your house that if you open the doors, it's really messy behind it? Mine too. Whoop, little door. Little door. Okay, so for this one, we also are only gonna glue on the edges, but we wanna make sure that the doorknobs are on the inside. So that's how we're gonna tell which edges, okay? See this? Whoop, that's upside down. See, the doorknobs have to be on the inside, just like at your home. See? Boop, boop. Okay, so we're gonna put glue on that edge and on that edge. Okay, here we go. Boop. The right edge on J, and the left edge on I. Make sure to let it dry before you play with it. All right. And the last thing is, see all these fun pieces? We get to cut all those out so that we can play our sorting game. Fun, huh? Okay. Cut it out. I knocked over my glue. There was 2 boys in New Hampshire, I think, that tested this. And they made the suggestion that I make these little game pieces a lot easier to cut thank you, because were a lot easier to cut this time in the redesign. So yay. They're so cute. I love this one. It's a soccer ball. This one's a little pumpkin. Okay. So once we have all of these all cut out, what we do is then we use this back thing to make little groups, and you can group them based on what they are, or you could group them based on the color that they are, or how they're drawn, or anything else that you could think of. And that's the fun of the game. Okay, I hope this was really fun. I had fun showing you how to do it, and I had a lot of fun making it. So thanks for the support, and tell your parents I said hi.